Hello everyone!
Ciao, ciao, dear Sicily lovers! Happy to see you again!
Ciao! We are with beautiful people today.
Hi!
Ciao.
First
Ciao,
of all,
ciao.
we are in Terrasini,
Yep.
a beautiful village 20 minutes from Palermo.
Yes.
Beautiful sea village. And we have Nicole, Maria Grazia, and Joe. Where do you come from?
Gloucester, Massachusetts.
Yeah. Yes.
40 minutes from Boston.
But where you come exactly?
Sicily.
Sicily.
Terrasini.
Sicily lovers.
Terrasini.
Terrasini is their home. You know.
Now it's better.
And we are very, very happy to meet them. They follow us. We met for the first
Yeah.
time when? Nicole, would you like to say?
Before COVID. Prior to COVID, I started following, and many of my Sicilian friends, I said, you have to follow Gianco and Rosella. They are amazing. They highlight everything, all the places we love to visit in Sicily, all our family traditions and homes. They're highlighting the best of everything here in Sicily. And then it was COVID. And then we started with cooking classes and
Virtual cooking classes.
virtual cooking classes. And we started to see each other on camera and talk to each other and get to know each other, and we developed this beautiful friendship, and we're so happy to be here together.
Thank you, thank you.
Finally. And we get to see Mimo.
Yeah, Mimo, don't be shy. If you come to Sicily, don't miss the opportunity to visit Terrasini. It's a very, very enjoyable village. There's a beautiful promenade, a beautiful coastline, Calarossa, a couple of beautiful sandy beaches, and
Beautiful plaza.
beautiful plaza, a lot of great gelateria. They make an excellent gelato. Restaurant, everything. And if you
And if you want to do a tour, call Gianca and Rosella, and they'll make your itinerary for you.
thank you, Nicole.
Thank
you.
Of course. As owner of a tour company based in Sicily, we are at your disposal to plan your custom tour of
right.
Sicily, or you can join one of our group tours of Sicily.
They're amazing. They're
Thank
amazing.
you.
Thank you so much.
Love!
Sicily lovers.
From Sicily. Ciao. Ciao.
Ciao.